Hello and welcome to this new video. In this tutorial, we will cover how to automate website interactions in Python using Selenium and ChromeDriver, including testing, filling out forms, and web scraping. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have installed Selenium and ChromeDriver. You can install Selenium using pip install Selenium. To install ChromeDriver, visit the official website and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Now, let's import Selenium and set up ChromeDriver to open a website. Next, we'll learn how to find elements on the page and interact with them, such as filling out a form. To find elements on the page, we can use various methods provided by Selenium, such as find element by ID, find element by name, find element by class name, and more. Once we have found an element, we can interact with it using methods such as click, send keys, and submit. Let's see an example of filling out the form. Finally, we'll learn a bit about web scraping. Once we have located an element, we can use the text attribute to obtain its content. For example, let's retrieve the text of a paragraph with a specific class name. Here's a code snippet that demonstrates how to obtain the text from a paragraph element with a class name content. That's it for this tutorial on Python websites automation using Selenium and ChromeDriver. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.